Hi friends! Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel by clicking the subscribe button below and clicking the bell icon to be notified whenever I publish a new video. Home Remedies presents Enhance memory by 75%, make your brain faster and recover lost vision with these ingredients. These 15 natural tips will help you strengthen your memory as well as make your brain work faster and regenerate your bones. Incredible! In addition, you will also improve and in some cases recover your vision, but you must be constant in taking them so that you can enjoy better results. These are all natural ingredients that will surely find your pantry or refrigerator. Incorporating them into your daily life will not take much time, effort or money. They are natural and delicious. Rosemary. One of the most powerful ingredients for increasing your memory and improving your concentration is rosemary. It has been proven that its chemical composition increases brain performance and its smell is very pleasant. Place a rosemary plant in your home or use its essential oil for massages. You can also add it in your meals. Beetroot. It improves the blood flow in our body and brain. Whole eggs. They sharpen the memory because they contain ingredients that are beneficial for the health of our brain. Green tea. It improves the memory and increases brain capacity. Take 2 to 3 cups. It also increases concentration, cognitive functions and electrical connectivity of the brain. Black chocolate. This rich food contains many antioxidants and caffeine, which increases your concentration and memory. Fish. It contains omega-3, which is essential for brain health. Avocado. It increases the blood flow to the brain. Cranberries. This fruit has many antioxidants that protect the brain from aging. Onion. It improves the memory. It is better to consume it raw. Whole grains. They contain omega-3, fiber, and complex carbohydrates which help our brain health greatly. Tomatoes. Tomatoes contain lycopene, which protects brain cells from damage caused by free radicals. Acorn squash. It is a great ally for increasing your memory because it is filled with vitamin B12 and folic acid, which protect our brain from injuries. Nuts. They increase the flow of oxygen and possess numerous nutrients in addition to omega-3, which strengthen the blood vessels in the brain. Turmeric. It contains curcumin that prevents inflammation and increases memory. Apple. It is excellent for keeping fit and taking care of your brain health. In addition to improving the brain health, vision and bones, these foods also contribute to putting in shape your general health. Try them in your daily diet and you will not regret it. If you found this video useful, hit that like button to give it more value. And don't forget to share on your social networks so that other people can benefit from it too. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.